What's one of the most common symptoms of a worn CV axle? That click, click, click you hear while turning. That noise usually comes from the outer CV joint, which takes a beating during cornering, especially on front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive vehicles. Inside the joint, wore components or a loss of lubrication can cause excessive play. As the joint rotates under angle, it clicks or pops, especially during acceleration in a turn. Sometimes the root cause is a torn boot. Once the grease escapes or contamination gets in, the joint starts wearing fast. To diagnose, listen for clicking under load, then lift the vehicle and check the joint manually. Rotate the axle and feel for any looseness or binding in the joint. Replacing the axle with a high-quality unit like TrakMotive's 100% new CV axle with OE style 6 or 8-ball joints ensures smooth performance and long-term reliability. So if you hear clicking while turning, don't ignore it. That's the axle asking to be replaced before bigger problems show up.